What child hasn't spent scattered minutes, accumulated into hours or even days, watching slowly unfolding clouds in the changing sky, wondering what they were, are, and will be? Imagining bodies, either whole or in pieces, especially faces, animals, whether commonplace, exotic, or mythical, plants, landscapes, and many other things. Who doesn't pause at the sight of the blazing colors of the morning and evening sky? How few pause long enough to see the stars begin to appear? How strange to think that the same sky is blue by day and black by night, studded with twinkling stars. Why do so many adults cease to probe these mysteries as consistently and frequently and with as much curiosity as a child does? What do we lose when we lose the search? A progression arose spontaneously in my series Reflection, from calming to clearing to illumination. Waters grow still, skies gradually clear, rays of light appear, and finally, so do sources of illumination. Over time, the photographs become so simple that the pure spaces they describe begin to reveal how charged with light they are. Finally, at first only in the byproducts they produce in their environments, the sources of light begin to reveal themselves. Throughout this process, a growing intensity builds as the gaze is focused more directly and deeply into the source of illumination. Who knows what will reveal itself next? Time will tell. In my work, sky and water become metaphors for states of mind. Many religious traditions use bodies of water and weather as metaphors for states of mind. Throughout the ages the world over, skies and water have been used in ritual practices to intuitively reveal what often goes unacknowledged by the conventional mind. If you watch water and sky closely, you'll understand why. As water grows still, it becomes clearer so you can see more deeply into it, and its surface becomes calmer so reflections reveal more fully what's above it. When the sky clears, you can better see the light in it, and as the color fades, you can better see the lights behind it. In these states, it's not clear where one thing begins and another ends. They become calmer, clearer, deeper, fuller, and more connected. How does their state change your state? How does your state change your experience of them? These meditations in nature offer a moment of pause, a still point in a turning world, ripe for further reflection and self-realization. This work is an invitation to look and look again and to look at us looking. My art is about the perception of nature and the nature of perception. These explorations are extended to the self. The photograph becomes a mirror in which I can better see the world and myself. Do you?